Okay, so the set is 250 students took CAT test which had three sections QA, VA, RA. Each of the section had an individual cutoff to be cleared. 100 students cleared the cutoff for both QA and VA, 80 in both this. Okay, so we'll come to this. The number of students. Okay, so we can make a three set Venn diagram. Okay, with three variables as QA, VA, and RA. It must be reasoning ability, I guess. Okay, anyway. Verbal ability, yes. Okay. The number of students who cleared cutoff of QA was 15 less than the number of students who cleared the cutoff of VA. So remember the thing, here it is of VA, okay, and here it is of QA. It is not only QA, okay. So if it had that been only QA, so we would have considered this region, okay. Since it is QA, so we'll consider this complete region, okay. So QA is 15 less than who cutoff for VA. So if VA we take to be X, then QA will be X minus 15, okay. Number of students who cleared the cutoff of VA was 50 for of VA was 50 more than who cleared the cutoff RA. So RA we have to take 50 less than QA, or sorry VA, and VA is X, so RA will be X minus 50. So till this is much done. VA was 50 more than the number of students who cleared the cutoff of RA, and the number of students who cleared the cutoff of RA was 35 less than. That's very obvious. 35 less it is, okay. And the number of students who did not clear cutoff of any of the three sections is 28 more than who cleared cutoff of all three. So clear cutoff of all three, let it be A. Then who cleared none, we'll write here none. None is how much? Is 28 more. So this will be A minus 28, okay. Now these all datas will come into use. 100 students cleared the cutoff of both QA and VA. So both QA and VA is 100. Okay, so only QA and VA will be, total is 100. So this area will be 100 minus A, okay. Now 80 is QA RA. So this area will be how much? 80 minus A, okay. Now similarly, 75 both VA and RA. So this area will be how much? 75 minus A, okay. Now these all areas we can find out and we can calculate. Okay, so let us try to calculate. We know that the total value is how much? This, okay. Now the question is find the number of students who cleared the cutoff of all three sections. Okay, so you have to find the value of A, and 28 more than these all things are given. So let us try to solve it. Okay, total we know the value is 250. Okay, and each of the sections had an individual this. Okay, so let us try to solve this. Okay, QA complete value we know. Okay, let us do more step by it. QA complete value we know is X minus 100. Okay, sorry, X minus 15 I mean. So this complete is covered as of now. Now this much value if we see will be how much? X, wait, let me write it in a much spacious place. Okay, so this is X minus 15. Not talking about this VA part. This is how much? This particular and this particular region we have to consider. So total from QA we have to subtract this and this. Okay, so this will be X minus 100. Minus A means plus A, and this A needs to be subtracted as well, right? This is X, subtract this and subtract this becomes positive. Okay, so this will get cancelled. We'll come to this later on. Okay, now how much region is covered? We can see that this complete region is covered now, right? Now only thing which we are left with only RA, so let us write that as well. So that will be X minus 50 minus of this 80 minus A, so minus 80 plus A, and this minus of A, and this minus of 75 plus A. Okay, now remember 250 includes this none as well. Okay, so never forget to include this none. Okay, so this will be A plus 28, and this total is given to us as 250. So this is complete is 250. Now let us try to calculate these all values. Okay, let us see what all things can get cancelled. Plus A with minus A neutralized, plus A with minus A again neutralized. Okay, and we are left with minus 75 plus A plus A plus. Okay, so this won't get, so we'll have to solve. Okay, now let us see. X 1 2 3 3x. Okay, A's, let me see A's. We'll circle this x and this x done. Now A and A, so this is 2A. Now let us see this 180, 230, 245 and 70 will make it, wait, let me read, 15 plus 100 plus 130 plus 75 minus 28. So this will come out to be 292. So minus 292 equal to 250. Okay, so 3x plus 2a will be 292 plus 250. Okay, so 292 plus 250 will be 542. So we got 542. Now what we can do is either we can solve this or we can plug in options. Okay, 5 4 9 9 to 11, it is not a multiple. Oh yes, one thing can work. Okay, let me write it here. 3x plus 2a equal to 542. Okay, so the first value, if we take this to be 0, although it isn't possible, but let us take, okay, so that we get the integral solution. Okay, so 542 by 2 will be 271. Okay, so a will be 271, right? Next value, this will increase by 2, so this will become 2, and this will decrease by 2, so this will become 267. Okay, now we can find the general term of this a, because we have to find the who cleared all the three sections. We can use this. Okay, so let us find the general term of this. So nth term will be 271 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 3. Okay, common difference, remember, is minus 3, not 3. Hope it is clear how. Second term minus first term minus 3. Okay, so 271 minus 3n plus 3, so 274 plus minus 3. And okay, now let us, we can plug in options and we can check. Okay, so if you plug in 60, we'll get 274 by 63, right? We should get an integer and that is very obvious. Okay, so 274 minus 60 by, sorry, 274 equal to this, so minus 60 by 3 isn't an integer, right? What we are doing, it we are equating each of them to the find the number of students who cleared all these sections, so to the options, because this is general term. Okay, so we should get an integer n, then only it will satisfy. Okay, so we are equating these all with the options. Okay, so 274 minus 3 and equal to 60 won't give me an integer, so 60 option is discarded. Okay, coming to the next, 72. Let us check for 72. It won't as well, because I know 274 minus 72 by 3, again it won't. Okay, so basically multiple of 3 we can directly, blindly, not blindly but calculatively, we have calculated this for 60. See, multiple of 60, if comes this side, it will still be a multiple of 3. This won't be a multiple of 3. Okay, so we need the difference to be multiple of 3. So this case is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, we are left with only 73. I am sure that 73 is correct, but for your surety, if you want that you aren't satisfied, so you can check. So let us check. 274 minus 73 by 3, bingo, it's satisfied. So 67, so 67th value, so n equal to 67 will give me, n equal to 67 will give me the term. Okay, so let us put n equal to 67, so 3 into 67, so 67 into 3 minus 274, so we'll get 73. Okay, so so 73. Oh, what did I do? Okay, so number of students who cleared all the cutoff is 73. Okay, let us erase all these things because we are done with the set. Okay, so we got value as 7. Oh sorry. Okay, anyway, 73 we got, right? 73 is the value of a who cleared all the cutoff. Okay, now parallelly we can find out the value of 543 minus 73 one twice. Okay, divided by 3. So x value we got as 132. Okay, 132, here it was x minus 15 na? Let us answer all the questions now. 73. Next, number of students who did not clear cutoff of at least one section, this also you can find out. Wait, let me, just a second. So not clearing at least one, we can do one thing, we can move reverse. Okay, total minus who cleared all 3. Okay, then we'll get the value of not clearing at least one. Okay, so 250 minus 73, 177. Okay, next one, find the number of students who cleared the cutoff of RA and VA but not QA. Okay, so RA, VA but not QA, so this region, and this region. Okay, so this region's value we know is 30. How did we get this? X minus this region and this region. This region is 30 and this region is 75 minus 73. So 2, and this region is 0. Okay, now question is who cleared cutoff of RA and VA but not QA. So 30 plus 2 plus 0. So 32 is the answer. Okay. Find the number of students who cleared cutoff of 2 of the sections but could not clear the cutoff of 3 sections. Okay. So basically exactly 2 we have to calculate. So exactly 2 will include 100 minus a, 80 minus a, 75 minus a. Okay. So if we 180 plus 75, 180, 8 and 15. So 255 minus 38 will be 38. A means 73 into 2, so we'll get minus 73 once, second, twice. Okay, so 36 is the answer. Now let us move on to the last question, I guess. Oh, this was the last. Let us submit and check. Oh, one is incorrect. Let me check which one is. 19 was incorrect. Oh, it was RA and VA both, but not QA. So answer will be 2 only, right? Sorry.